Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're exploring InterLink and the literal dawn of a decentralized utility economy. If you've been following this space, you know a massive growth phase is knocking on our door. So let's jump right in and see exactly what this means for you.
Okay, let's dive into this. InterLink has set an incredibly ambitious mission for their next chapter, launching over 1,000 decentralized applications, or dApps. But listen, this isn't just about padding the numbers. It's about supporting real products that solve actual problems, building a genuinely practical on-chain economy.
Starting next week, this ecosystem progressively opens up to developers. And the core goal here? It's a massive shift away from just passively holding tokens and hoping for speculation, moving entirely toward active participation and everyday network utility.
Which brings us to dApps driving real utility, tangible solutions for the on-chain economy.
And this brilliantly illustrates the products taking shape right now. In commerce, you've got Linker's Map helping you easily find local merchants that accept the ITL token. In finance, there's ITL Vault, letting eligible users put up ITL as collateral for USDT loans without having to sell. And for entertainment, Lucky Linkers is offering a super fun, community-focused lottery experience.
Now, to make all of this actually accessible, we have INS, the InterLink name service. Because let's face it, nobody wants to memorize a long, complicated string of characters for a Web3 wallet address. INS replaces all of that with a readable, human-friendly name like Christopher.itl. It's a real game changer for usability.
So, the crucial point is how we measure the actual economic impact of this ecosystem. That is exactly where ATV, or average transaction value, comes in. This metric strictly tracks transaction activity connected to actual goods and services. It absolutely proves InterLink's focus on genuine, real-world commerce over mere speculative hype. The ecosystem is also rolling out interactive platforms like InterPredict, where you can forecast real-world events in politics or sports, and BitFlip, a fast-paced game for predicting Bitcoin market movements. Just a quick reminder from the source, though, these do carry significant risk, so always be sure to participate carefully and responsibly.
Moving on to how you can participate, because builders create the future, but communities make it thrive.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that exploring the ecosystem and generating meaningful activity could actually lead to future ITL opportunities from the foundation. Instead of just sitting on your tokens, you can act as an ambassador to introduce new dApps, make real payments for services, test out early products and give feedback, or support verified businesses. You see, a thriving ecosystem isn't built by just one team. It relies on thousands of real, individual contributions. As the source material powerfully puts it, each action may seem small on its own. Together, they can create momentum that changes the scale of the entire network.
The question is no longer whether the InterLink ecosystem will grow into this new decentralized utility phase. It's already happening. The real question is, what will you build, use, or support first?